just a little.
I was gonna say.
How you doing,
Oh,
Stumpy?
that's her eye. Her nose is down. I
Yeah.
see you. We see you.
How you doing, Stumpy? Enjoying sun?
This is a good idea. She looks real good.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm thinking.
She look comfortable.
Well, yeah, and she sit down in the grass,
Yeah.
and I can't see your nose. What's the deal?
Say the A like alligator. Okay, Stumpy, you can rest. We're gonna see the snakes. Okay? Be good, kid.
You keep getting closer to me.
You wanted she talk to you?
Man, you look so tiny.